Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is gratitude is an attitude. You are ready for the next level? Prove it by praising in the dark, praising when you have the minimum. As long as all your needs are met, because when you look at things, all your needs are met when you look at your life. What makes things uncomfortable and more difficult is that your wants are not accounted for at this current moment. But if you praise when you have just your needs met, when you have the minimum, Spirit is like, wow, if you're going to give me this much praise and acknowledgement when I give you this little bit, let me make sure I give you a lot. Because I wonder what you're going to erupt like and what your praise is going to be like, so you can represent me to let people know that I'm real. I'm aware of the light in my life. I direct my thoughts to the beauty in and around me, and I give thanks to God for every little thing that brings me joy. Thus, I enlighten my thoughts, riches surround me, and I appreciate all that life brings me, because when you have gratitude, when you have that attitude, everything goes your way. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.